So here we have this PatioMage ergonomic office chair. Now in this video, I'm going to unbox it, show you how to put it together, and then I'll give you a quick review. Here's everything that came in the box. There's the main chair parts, some smaller pieces, some nuts and bolts to put it together, and the instruction manual. Anyway, this looks like it'll be a pretty simple build, so let's go ahead and put it together, and I'm going to use this timer to see how long it takes. First, we're going to assemble the base. Just slide these legs into this star piece, and then put a screw through each one. And I'm using a screw gun here to speed it up, but it did come with an Allen wrench. And then you can pop in these 5 casters, flip it over and put on this plastic cover, and then drop in the gas strap. Then we're going to take the seat and attach this piece here with the adjustment lever. Just line it up with the threaded inserts pointing forward like this and screw it on. Then we can take the armrests and screw one onto each side. They're labeled left and right, so just make sure they're on the correct side. Anyway, now we can place this on top of the base and then attach the back of the chair. It just slides on, and then there's a couple screws through the bottom that hold it in place. And then slide the headrest into its slot. It does take a little bit of force to get it in there. And then to finish it off, clip in this back cover piece. Alright, and there we go. It's all put together. That was pretty simple. Took just about 17 minutes. The chair has a sturdy metal base, but it does use these standard cheap plastic casters. The chair itself, though, is made of this mesh material, which is super breathable as well as comfortable. Then the frame itself is aluminum with this nice durable finish on it. These armrests are adjustable. You can move them up and down as well as back and forth. You can also twist them side to side. They have a nice firm cushion on them. You can also adjust them outwards, maybe 3/4 of an inch, by loosening the bolts on the bottom. And they also have a nice firm cushion on them. Of course, you can adjust the chair up and down. You just twist this lever here. You can also pull it out to unlock the backrest and lean backwards. And then if you push it in, it'll lock it right where it's at. The chair also has this nice large headrest. You can rotate it up or down, and you can also easily adjust it up and down. I do like how large it is, and it's really comfortable when I lean back in the chair. My initial impression after sitting in the chair is that it's super sturdy, but this lumbar support is a little bit low, and it sticks out a little bit too far. So yeah, I just don't like that lumbar support. It's too big, and it's not adjustable, and that just makes it a bit uncomfortable when I'm trying to sit up straight.